How to fix WhatsApp keyboard problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp keyboard problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, click on it and then click apps again, and here you need to find all your installed apps and scroll down until you find WhatsApp, and now click storage and then clear cache and go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here. If you want to enable it, just click on it and then click allow, and that's it. Now just go back and restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.